Brew flavorful coffee quickly, easily, and without electricity with a French press. French presses are not limited to just hot coffee though. They can be used for cold press coffee, infusing water with fruit flavors, and brewing hot or cold loose leaf teas. To make hot coffee or tea, begin heating up the water to just below a rolling boil. Add 1 tablespoon of coarsely ground coffee or 1½ teaspoons of tea leaves for each cup of water to the French press. Pour the hot water into the French press and stir with a wooden spoon or non-metal utensil. Then insert the plunger so the plunger sits just above the water. Let coffee brew for 3 to 4 minutes before plunging. Tea only needs to brew for 1 to 2 minutes before plunging. Once brewed, slowly depress the plunger all the way to the bottom. Pour and serve. To make cold pressed coffee or tea, use the same measurements and directions, except steep the tea for 6 to 8 hours or the coffee for 8 to 12 hours in a refrigerator before plunging. Then pour and serve. To infuse water, add chopped fruit, herbs, or cucumbers to your French press. Add cold water and wait about 5 minutes before depressing the plunger. You can also add sugar or honey to sweeten the drink, or use sparkling water for added flavor and fizz. Serve up coffee and tea that is packed with richer, fuller flavor than other brewing methods with versatile and easy-to-use French presses.